Good morning and welcome to sunny Chester. We're here for the weekend. We've parked by the cemetery for free, which is always good. We're going to have a look around Chester and the surrounding areas. We've got to cross the river to get into the city. Chester is a cathedral city on the border between England and Wales. There's the bridge we're going to get across into the city. We're here for a couple of days and we're going to explore everything to do with Chester. Chester was built as a Roman fort, so there are walls around Chester, so we're going to be walking on the walls sometime today. So this is the River Dee that runs through the city. This is the old Roman wall, so we'll be going along there a bit later. So we're there, and we're heading up towards Grosvenor Park. This is Queen's Park Bridge. Plenty of places here to relax and have a hot drink. You've got the Rowing Club here. Busy weekend with people on the river. Lots of timber buildings. We're about to enter Grosvenor Park. Daffodils. Spring is here.
Oh no, it's not. Did you say grave? It's not, is it?
This is a lovely little park. You could spend the morning or the afternoon just watching the world go by. We're not here to relax. We're here to sightsee and grab a cup of tea somewhere as well. It's the little things you spot here. It's very quaint. Okay, you can see the famous Eastgate Clock. And here's the famous clock. So by the clock we have the Chester Grosvenor. Just leaving the shopping area for a short while. We're heading up towards the cathedral. scaffolding, as always. Anyway, this looks amazing. Wow. It's like something out of Harry Potter. This is Chester's Town Hall, rather grand. Lane just said it's 3 miles to the zoo, and there's a clue behind us. It's so like stepping back in time here, until you see the cars. And that's your view outside your bedroom window. Amazing. That's if people do live here, or they're just offices. Right. This is one of the most haunted pubs in the country. The Pied Bull. It's the oldest coaching inn in Chester. Pied Bull is just up from the town hall. We're going to go up on the wall. City walls. Wow. So, first time on the city walls. I'm going to head this way. Feels strange being this high up. Can almost, but not quite, touch the roofs here. We're coming down to where the canals are. This canal boat is heading down. It's got some way to go though to get to the bottom. A lot of gates to open. This is North Gate Locks. Excuse me please, thank you so much. So this is a nice area just on the edge of the city. Somewhere to take a breather. Back on the wall. long way down from here. Amazing. If you've got the stomach for it, while you're in Chester, you can go to the Sick to Death Museum. The gory story of medicine through time. Lovely. So, do you know the way to North Wales? North Wales to the right. Alright. We're going to have a wander around Grosvenor Museum. Free admission. Been waiting to see a Roman soldier. On the wall. Down there, the Roman Gardens. We'll go in there in a few moments. And then to the left, you've got the Amphitheatre.
Oh, I see. I didn't see it there.
strange, you've got all this history behind me over here, and then on the other side of the road you've got pubs, restaurants and nightclubs. I'm now stepping back in time. Wow. If only you could step back in time. Today's gone by. None of those buildings were here, that's for certain. No Travelodge, no Riley's.
Yeah, it's in the summer.
Bathing style. The baths were one of the most impressive buildings. This is the Romans version of underfloor heating. So the Romans walked on here, walked and relaxed on here, while the furnace was burning underneath. To the right of the gardens, you've got the wall as well. There's just so many ways to explore this city. Best explored on foot, of course. So where we're at now is the Church of St John the Baptist. There's lots of ruins. We're going to head back to the car, but we're going to cross over the suspension bridge to get there. Our hotel is just outside of the city centre. We're going to crash out, have something to eat, and then do some more exploring tomorrow. See you later.